Good morning, friends. I am Professor Shivayogi Patil, your training and placement officer. Welcome to my new video. But before that, happy Makara Sankranti. ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಈ ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ, ಸುಖ, ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ತರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ I will continue this video. The purpose of making this video is to make some of the points very clear, because I have taken many classes for all the branches of BBA, BCA and BCom, and whatever I have found, whatever that is lacking in today's students means you. So that I wanted to stress out in this particular video, because see, ultimately my duty is to make you job ready, a corporate job ready, not an ordinary job, a corporate job ready, or make you an entrepreneur so that you can stand on your own and succeed also. See, there are two things. One is entering the corporate world. For that you have to, what you call it as a recruit. There will be recruitment process. Every different companies have different recruitment processes. There will be various stages like aptitude test. There will be general aptitude, technical aptitude, group discussion, then maybe public speaking skills, maybe HR interview, then final interview. So there may be then for BCA students there may be coding test also, and general aptitude test might be having numerical ability test, quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis, logical reasoning, verbal reasoning, non-verbal reasoning. So there are n number of things that may be involved in the recruitment process, because every corporate company wants best of the best talents. That is they search for best of the best talents. I think most of you are applied for a TCS company. TCS is also one of the top company in Indian scenario, which gives industry best package for you. And the being a TCS employee itself is a very prestigious thing. So that's the reason why I am concentrating on such companies. But your cooperation is very essential, because what I am finding is this week there may be Makara Sankranti. You might be in the mood of celebrating the festival. Of course, the corona fear is also there, but despite all that, so this is the time you have to focus on your life, your career path, because it is your life, and you are here to do something, achieve something, realize your parents' dreams. So therefore you have to somehow make up your mind. So the most basic thing is needed is the focused approach towards the soft skills, because soft skills are I am repeating it 100th times maybe. So soft skills are very essential, both for getting recruited in a top company, as well as getting growth in the company, because just joining a company will not help for you. So you may join, but you remain at the same position. So that is not you will not have a personal growth. So you need to get promoted, you need to get scale up your salary and other things. There will be a lot of other things. So for all that thing, you need to be perfect in soft skills. So therefore, my dear friends, I humbly request you to attend soft skill classes without fail. So that is the reason I am doing this particular video, and I will share one or two what you call it as PPTs, so to stress this point, especially to show you where you are lacking. So I hope this particular slide is visible. I hope this particular slide is visible. Otherwise, I will start the slideshow. See, I call my program as Campus to Corporate. You can also call as employability skills. It is also called as employability skills. Whatever I discuss here is very, 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 very important. Whatever I discuss here in this particular project of, you can call it as project. It is not related to only this video. I will take many classes regarding this particular project, that is Campus to Corporate or employability skills. It is very, very, very important. And one more thing I wanted to stress out is soft skill equal to life skill. Soft skill not only come use in your recruitment process or survival in the industry, it will also come handy when you become an entrepreneur or you are running your own business, family business, whatever it may be. And whatever job you join, whether it is a banking job, whether you become a CA, whether you are become a company secretary, whether you become enter insurance sector, whatever sector you enter. So these skills are needed to grow in that particular sector. Otherwise, there will be stalemate. There will be stalemate. So if you want to remain in the same position for next 20 years, 30 years, or something like that, so then you can neglect this. But if you want to grow, if you want to reach a much higher and higher position, so this Campus to Corporate training program is very, very important. That is the reason I'm stressing all of you. See, I have the resources. Again, I'm telling you, I have the resources to teach you, to train you. See, I have already told you the difference between teaching and training. Teaching involves explaining the concepts. Teaching involves explaining the concepts, whereas training involves workshop kind of environment where you are going to learn many things and apply it in life. You are going to learn many things and apply it in your life. So that is called as a training. So in training you will get skills, whereas in teaching you will get knowledge. So my intention of this particular training, Campus to Corporate, is to develop those skills. It may be just public speaking skills, communication skills, time management skills, yeah, stress management skills. There are n number of skills. See, I will show you another slide. So this agenda for this session. See, these are all the skills, what you are seeing in this screen, you need to success in life, get success in life. You get success in life, legal way, ethical way, following some principles, so following some values. You can scale up, you can become rich by illegal way, by taking bribes, so corrupt way, that I don't want you to do. So by legal way, with your own personality traits, if you want to become successful, then these are the things which are very, 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 very important. So that's the reason I am stressing out the importance of soft skills. I have all the resources to train you into a good job ready. See, if you follow me, I can ensure that at the end of the semester, I can ensure, and I am also bringing a lot of companies also. I am already in talk with many companies. So good companies which can offer you good salary, like about 25,000, what I have told you, about 25,000. There is no end limit to the salary you can get if you show the required performance. But you have to follow my soft skill training. You have to attend it religiously, regularly, attentively, and interactively and actively, doing all the exercises or assignments. So of course, till now I have not given any assignments, but at least whatever the concept I teach in the classroom, you have to apply it. I have already told you how to apply your leadership skills in your family life, in society life and all. So unless you apply it, because we will conduct some leadership games, we will conduct some team building games in future. they are in the pipeline, but that will not be much effective unless because if you apply it in your family life, if you apply it in society life, if you apply it in your college life, all those skills, so it will be more effective. It will be more effective. It is. This is my experience. This is my experience. So I always tell you, don't depend upon just role plays, games. There are n number of leadership games. So you just play those games and you forget. You forget it. So that is just for entertainment. There is something called icebreakers in workshops. Icebreaker means, so to give break to a monotonous session, there will be something called icebreakers. So these games, these role plays will be used as a icebreakers. Okay, they will give you some idea about the leadership traits, communication skill traits, and all, but they will not give you skills beyond a certain limit. So to become master, you have to practice it. See, there is a saying that to become to have a mastery in anything, you have to practice it at least for 1,000 times. So take any successful person who is a master in his arts, so he has practiced more than 1,000 times. So cricketers, take tennis players and all. No, I don't tell you that you practice this for 1,000 times, at least 20, 30, 40, 50 times. At least if you practice, you will get the kind of confidence. You will get the kind of confidence that you can guaranteedly, confidently attend the interviews, go through the interviews confidently, answer the questions confidently, and enter the corporate life, then survive there, get promotions and all. I can assure you that, but you have to believe me, you have to keep faith on me. I will give you 100% guarantee that if you follow me in soft skill training, if you religiously follow me, then I will assure you, I will 100% guarantee you a good job at the end of this year. I will. That is my promise. That is my promise. With this promise, I wanted to know. See, agenda for this session is nothing but what all you need to become successful in life, in corporate, in entrepreneurship. So, in banking sector, whatever the sector you want to enter, you need all these things. So, public speaking, you need to have first. How to give the first impression, which is very most important impression. So then interviewing skills, how to confidently face the interview, how to articulate your answers so that HR will feel that you are the right candidate for the job. So how to groom yourself into an adorable personality, grooming, communication skill, how to effectively communicate with the people so that your job can be done very easily, as well as HRs and managers, whoever there above you, get impressed. Then there will be something called corporate etiquette. There is something called dressing. So there is something called, and very important is body language. Your body language shows your confidence. I've already told you. So a positive body language will give you a positive self-image, and that positive self-image will take you long way in your life. So therefore, improve your body language, look confident, feel confident. So if you look confident, see, for that, dressing is also necessary. Positive body language is also necessary. I have told you something called fake it till make it. Act like a confidence person, act like a very strong person, act like a very intelligent person, act like a leader, act like a good communicator. You will become one after some time. That is called fake it till you make it. So therefore, when you have a positive body language, that will have a profound effect on everyone around you. They will get influenced by you. So leadership is all about influence. Leadership is all about influence. So regarding the interview skills, we will conduct mock interviews and I will give you a list of questions that may be probably asked in the interviews, and I will give you the answers also. I will give you the answers, most articulated answers, so that you will definitely win the what you call it as the win the heart of the HR. So that I will do. Grooming, how to groom and all. I think I have already discussed about it. All the dressing things. Then your haircut, your nail cut, your wearing the proper shoes, attire, all those things. Even this proper positive body language comes under grooming. A smile on your face, confidence on your face. All those things are comes in this. Public speaking skills. So few classes I have started already, public speaking skills, and we will continue to do that. Then there will be corporate etiquette we are going to discuss. Then see, there are n number of things we need to discuss in future. You need to also know how to be emotionally intelligent, how to be, how can you can manage stress management session will be there, time management session will be there. So there will be many sessions will be there. But if you doesn't show interest, see, my enthusiasm will come down, my energy will come down, I will get demoralized, and I have to just try to complete the portion as early as possible and come out of that. So I don't want to do that. So please be attentive, be punctual, be disciplined, and see, I will tell you very important thing. Where you are lacking. See. I have already showed it to some of the classes. See, for example, I have taken an example of BCom graduates. It applies to, of course, even in BBA and BCA graduates. See, you have n number of opportunities. You can become CA, you can become company secretary, chartered accountant, banking, UPSC, IAS, IPS, KPSC, insurance sector, government jobs. There are n number of government jobs, including railways and all corporate jobs. So there is no dearth of job opportunities. But only thing is, most of these jobs require you to be proficient in technical skills, proficient in soft skills, proficient in mathematical ability, logical ability, reasoning, verbal, non-verbal reasoning, and all those things. So, and one more important thing regarding the things like mathematical ability, reasoning, verbal reasoning, or non-verbal reasoning, logical analysis, so critical thinking, for all these things, I am arranging a resource person. Already I told you to some classes, I am arranging a resource person, probably on 21 and 22 of this month. So that is before your Tata online test, so TCS online test. He will teach you everything regarding mathematical ability, qualitative aptitude, quantitative aptitude, then what you call it as a verbal and non-verbal reasoning, logical reasoning. So all those things, what are the extra factors you need apart from the regular soft skill topics that will be taught you in 2 days workshop. 2 days workshop. We have already arranged that. So you don't need to worry about it. But again, you need to practice them. You need to practice them because you already know mathematics and those allied subjects. So mathematics and allied subjects are practice oriented. You cannot just hear it like theory and by heart it. No, it is not possible, because if only you practice, then you can clear the such questions in online test confidently. Now, what is the problem with you? Is I have already told you, you lack ambition, you lack confidence, and you lack that willingness to put efforts. That is lacking in you. Somehow, maybe due to pandemic, or maybe due to lack of guidance, or maybe due to your own inferiority complex, or maybe due to negative thinking or negative programming in your earlier life, you lack all these things. you had you most of you don't have ambition. Okay, only few people say that we want to become CA, CS, but they also don't have the proper plan. So how to reach that stage? Then you need confidence. Every one of you is capable of achieving anything you want in life. I have already told you. Only thing is you have to be confident about yourself. You need to have a good self-image, positive self-image about yourself. It is very, very important. Third one, you need to put efforts. You need to put efforts. When it comes to efforts, that read that line, I will do whatever it takes. This is the mantra of success. I will do whatever it takes. For me also, I will do whatever it takes to place you in a good corporate company, which is with a respected job, with a respected salary. I will do whatever it takes. But it is your turn. You have to take pledge that I will do. Every one of you should take pledge that I will do whatever it takes to become a CA or CS or enter banking sector, enter UPSC or IAS or IPS, enter KPSC or enter insurance sector or go for any of the government jobs, go for any of the corporate jobs. So whatever is required. So therefore, I have stressed out the importance of goal. Keep one of these things as the goal. So keep one of these things as your goal. Have a total focus on that. So collect all the information about the recruitment processes. I will, of course, I will also guide you. So how to become a CA or CS, how to enter banking sector, how to enter IAS and IPS cadre, how to all these things I am going to tell you in the future classes. But you need to put the effort, willingness to put the efforts. I will do whatever it takes to become so that particular successful person. That promise should come to you. I am once again telling you, I have confidence that if you follow my instructions, if you follow my classes, if you follow my assignments, if you are interactive in the class, attentive in the class, definitely I will train you in everything that makes you a successful person, that makes you a corporate job ready. Of course, I can't promise you CA and CA. I can guide you, but again, it is a very long process to enter into CA or CS, to then write the banking examination. You need to get trained in that. UPSC, you need to get trained. KPSC, you need to get trained. Insurance sector, you need to get trained because they also conduct examinations which include a lot of things. So government jobs, again, the lot of such jobs will have their own examinations. And but corporate jobs, as far as corporate jobs, I will promise you that you will be absorbed in a good corporate company with good salary and good reputation if you follow my soft skill classes religiously, devotionally, then only it is possible. Otherwise, it is just impossible. So that is my challenge also. That is my challenge to everyone. So those who want to join the challenge, join the challenge. Otherwise, you can take your own decision. It is your life. It is your future. So it is your parents' dream, whether you want to fulfill or not. So I am ready to put my 100% effort, which is enough to make you corporate job ready. But you have to make up your mind. You have to make up your mind to get all that knowledge, to squeeze me completely so that you will get all that knowledge, even even life skills, even I'm ready to teach you emotional intelligence, NLP, everything with whatever now, because knowledge should be shared. So whenever you share the knowledge, you will get more knowledge. I am a lifelong learner. I am a lifelong learner. So so these are the things what I wanted to stress upon with this particular video. Watch this video again and again. Understand my intention behind it. I am not here to force into anything. So it is your life. Decide yourself. Show this video to your parents. Ask their opinions also. and you can take your decision. So this is my humble request. So with this, I'm going to stop this video. So my dear friends, everything is left to you. You need to decide whether you are willingness to put effort, whether you are ready to put efforts, you are ready to do anything that is required to get that dream job. So it is left to you. Thank you. Thank you.